guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am back again with a new video. So without wasting any time, let's begin the video. First of all, I have here the amazing product, that is the Boat Stone Bluetooth speaker 193 model. And here the outlook looks like this somewhat. It's black in color, the classic color, quite premium. The look gives quite premium. Here you will get a reflective bright shiny sticker, as you can see. Okay, now first of all you will get here 800 mAh battery capacity and IPX7 water resistant ability. Fine. Now if I just move towards the right and rotate, here you will get a HD 5 watt output and 52mm full range driver, up to 4 hours of playback and quick connectivity with Bluetooth 5.0 version. And here's the Boat logo plugged into Nirvana. Now let's unbox and see what's inside this. Okay, now if we just open the box, the first we will get the main product, that is the Boat Bluetooth speaker. The look is quite good. It's really good. The look, smart look. Now here at the top you will get to see the Boat logo, and below it you can see here a play button and volume on and off button. Right below that you can see a drawer like system. Now if you open it, you can see here aux cable spot and here data cable spot. Now at the side of it you will get to see here the power button and here the mute button. Okay, now let's see what's more inside the box. Just if we open it, so first you will get the warranty card. Let me keep it over here. Then you will get a data cable for its charging, and secondly you will get an aux cable through which you can plug one end to the device and the other end to your PC or Android as you wish. And here some manuals are given. So that's the unboxing process. Now let me take you to the sound testing capacity of it. Okay, now let's test its sound quality. So first of all, what I have to do is just long press this power button to activate.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair.
Okay, as it is said, my device is ready to pair. Now let me turn on the Bluetooth on my Android.
You're now connected to Boat Stone.
Yeah, now it's connected. So let me play a song here and let's check its sound quality. Well, it's quite good. Now let me turn on the volume more and let's check its bass. Well, it's quite good. I can feel it over the room. The bass is louder. It's okay. Now one more thing, let me connect the aux cable with my Android and let's check the sound quality once again. Now here the aux cable port, and let me insert it over here. Well, it's inserted, and one more end to my Android. Wow. Fine, that's quite good. As you have seen, the bass is okay, the sound is okay. What you have felt, just comment me. Personally, it was a very good choice for me. Now let's have a look in its charging compatibility. Okay, I have plugged in the same plug charger over there, and let me just turn on the power switch. Okay, here you can see a red light appears here. Can you? Yeah, that's the red light appears, means it's charging. Now when the red light automatically goes off during charging, then you may assume that the charging is over. Then you can simply plug out over it and turn it and close it, and you can use it. That's it, the charging. Well, now if I want to talk about its review, first of all, personally I liked its model. The model, just to look behind at the down, you will get a stripe to just protect its body. And secondly, the volume and the bass are loud. It's, you can feel the vibe just in your room. That's the great thing I like. And it has the Bluetooth connectivity of 5.0 version, and it can play up to 4 hours continuously. So overall it's a fine quality product. You can just go for it for myself, for my personal opinion, and the link given in description below, you can just go for it. No doubt that's a good product. And at the last, if you just liked the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. If you just have helped 1%, then just share with your friends who need it the most. Thank you.